what's up y'all, it's Deidre and welcome back to another video. And in this video today, I'm going to be taking this chair and transforming it into this. Now, I have never reupholstered anything in my life, so this is going to be very ghetto, not a tutorial whatsoever. It's basically just going to be a follow along with me. I really been wanting to get into kind of transforming furniture just to make it fit my needs and to make things more affordable for myself as well. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this, and maybe you guys can follow along at home if you have a chair that's similar. I got this one from Facebook Market for $10 and it swivels. It's really cool. So yeah. And I'm shooting this on my phone because I didn't feel like pulling out that big camera. It's heavy, y'all. But let's get to it. So how I approached this chair was just to take it easy, and I watched a couple YouTube videos and everybody said to go along the seam, so that's what I'm doing. Very kind of sketchy, but it worked out in my favor, I think. And then I hammered it all down. As you can see, I went for this white Sherpa fabric. This fabric is literally so cozy, comfy. I was definitely going for that Gwen cb2 vibe, but for half of the price, because no love, no, not at all. I'm not gonna pay that much for a chair. Like, it's no way you can make me. I've gotten quite far and it's looking good. I'm just watching TV while I do this because this is a long process, and I do have a lot of nails that like wouldn't go in. So basically this chair, I cut open the leather just to see what's inside, and like this back piece is basically just foam. Like, it's a very soft plush foam, and there's like nothing for the staples to grab onto. So what I had to do was basically just tuck really down into here and find some wood, and then I stapled right here in the center, and then I just tucked the rest of it really down, and it hasn't come out yet. But if it doesn't, I just need longer nails for that. So later on I'll probably get some longer nails and just or staples and just put those through. But anyways, what I went ahead and did is just wrap the fabric all the way down, made sure it was completely smooth, just so you got no creases or anything like that. And then just tucked it into this like metal part where it swivels, and then I'm just gonna staple under here. But right now I'm just working on this side right here, just so it's perfectly straight and even. I had to do some cutting. This fabric is so hard to cut into. Like, I don't know, I have fabric scissors, and then I try another pair of scissors too, and they're sharp, but they're not, like, it's just not working. The boy did the front, as you can see. So that front is all done. I gotta fix the creasing right here just by just pulling this tighter, so it's no creasing at all, but it's just creasing right there a little bit. Anyways, the back, I'm working on the back of the chair right now. So as you can see, and I'm doing the invisible staple thingy again, where I'm stapling under. And then I also did this one arm here, and once I get it all set and ready to go, but as you can see, I made that seam, so it's like that. This has been going very well. I showed you guys I did the front and the sides, and now I'm working on the back. So basically what I did is I did the same thing as I did on the front, where I flipped the fabric over just so you couldn't see the staples like that, and it created this seam. Now the seam is not perfect, but it's okay for my first chair. But the next chair I do, I'm making that a goal that I kind of like work on those a little bit more, because they're kind of rough here. But basically what I'm doing is just go ahead and flip this around. I haven't completed that side yet, but see if this works. Sorry y'all, it's kind of snug. Whew. I need to work out. And I'm gonna fix that. I told y'all this is gonna be ghetto, honestly. But I'm gonna staple that back. And now after I showed y'all that, I don't gotta do that no more again, where I'll take it off and put it back on. But anyways, as you can see, once I fix these and staple these back together, it will be like a little seam line, which I wish wasn't there. But honestly, this is more than I thought I was gonna be able to do. And I was just talking to Bradley about this, but people, like, they say they can't do something, and like, you kind of just write off in your head you can't do something. Like for me, it was like, I can't make furniture, I can't reupholster a chair, But until the day like I actually tried, who knew I could get this far? And I know it looked a little bit rough, but it honestly has a look that I'm going for once I kind of like get everything together and put and clean. So don't come at me for my first chair. But anyways, I say that all to say, if there's something you want to try, just do it, because honestly, you might be really good at it or mediocre at it like me, but you're gonna work to make it better. And finish this, and I'll come back with the final reveal and show you guys how this bad boy looks. Thank you so much for watching this video, y'all. I had so much fun making it. Please consider subscribing down below. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers, and y'all, when we get to 1,000 subscribers, I can finally monetize my stuff so I can create more things for you guys. That's not why I do it, but you know, that's just a good perk. You know, I'm trying to get it back. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes content at DXDRIE. And if you want to request my interior design services, you can follow the Blended Home company page at blended.home or email us at blendedhomedesign. Thank you so much for watching, y'all, and as always, pieces and blessings. You're too far away for me to do the thing. Bye.